Good evening, everyone. So, was it holiday today or you had school? Okay. So, what did you do holiday? How did you make use of the day? How much you studied or what you were doing? Okay, wait till the end. Last 5 minutes, I am going to talk to you. Again, every day this dose is needed. Okay. I don't think one video is enough to motivate you. So last 5 to 10 minutes, I will talk to you. We'll take up we'll take up general questions from any one of you, or I will only tell you what problem you may be facing and how to overcome that. First, let's finish the questions. 10 questions quickly. The ratio of HCM to LCM of the least composite and the least prime number. Of the least composite and least prime number. Okay. So what is the ratio here? Answer. First of all, you should know which is least composite number and least prime number. Then you will divide those two, you will get the ratio. So ratio means division. First of all, know that. Okay. So which is least composite number? Least composite and least prime. Least prime everyone know 2, because prime number starts with 2 only. Then least composite number 4. Now they are asking you ratio of HCF to LCM of least composite least prime. So you need to find out HCF of 4 and 2. Then you will also find out LCM of 4 comma 2. Then these two answers you will divide. So how much is HCF? HCF will come up to 2. If you take HCF, you will get 2. And if you take a LCM, it will be 4. So ratio will be 2 is to 4, which is equal to 1 is to 2. Now who don't know HCF how it is, LCM everyone will get to know, but what is, how did you got HCF? Do you know how you got? Second, roots of x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Yes, correct. Roots of x square plus 3x minus 10. So how we'll solve this? X square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. X into x plus 5. Here minus 2 into x plus 5. So the roots are x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 5. Third question. Next term of AP. Next term of AP. And here it is given root 6, root 24, root 54, so on. Not so on. Root 6, root 24, root 54. Okay, I will solve, you see. Now this root 6 you keep as it is, you can't do anything. Now here I will do this like 4 into 6, and this I will do 9 into 6. Root 6, this will be 2 root 6, and this will be 3 root 6. What is the common difference? Which number is repeating, that is common difference. Root 6 is common difference. Now you all know how to get the next term. You have to add this root 6 to the previous term. Correct? The next term will be 4 root 6, which is 96. See how I got next term here. I think some of you may get confused. Root 6 1, 2 root 6 second number, 3 root 6 third number, 4 root 6 will be the fourth number. 1 2 3 4. So 4 root 6 will become root of 96. this blank 4 root 6, which is equal to root 96. Okay, next one. Distance of point minus 1 comma 7 from x-axis. From x-axis. Use distance formula. If it is from x-axis, straight away you will go for x square plus y square. So this will be minus 1 whole square and 7 square, which is root 50. X-axis, y-axis, if they give anything like this, then straight away this formula. Don't use that other one. What is that? X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This distance formula you will use when 2 points are given. 2 points are given to you. 2 points given, then you will use this. If 1 point is given, and if they say x-axis, y-axis and all, then use this short formula, which is root of x square plus y square. Yes. Correct. That is from origin x-axis. So this, okay, this formula is for origin. Yeah. So from x-axis, if they say, we need to do it in other way. 1 second. Okay, if they say origin, then use this formula. This is the formula, origin. So here the point minus 1 comma 7 from the x-axis. Minus 1 will be here, 7 will be here. So this will be your graph. Minus 1 comma 7, this will be graph. So distance will be 7 here. From x-axis, 7 units. 7 units. Origin. Distance will be 7 unit here. Next question. Area of semicircle. Area of semicircle of diameter d. Area of semicircle of diameter d. Diameter is given. So you know area of semicircle is half pi r square. But here dia is given, therefore we will convert it like this. D square by 4, which is 1 by 8 pi d square. Because r is d by 2, half of diameter. So I have substituted here r equal to d by 2. So r equal to d by 2 we should use since diameter is given. One by 8 pi d square. So one more is pair of linear equations 2x equal to 5y plus 6 and 15y equal to 6x minus 18 represent two lines. Option A intersecting, option B parallel, coincident, and option D either intersecting or parallel. So you should use that condition. We have three conditions. See, every time on these three conditions one question will come definitely. So you should know those three conditions properly. So first let's write here a1, b1, c1. What is my a1? 2. What is my b1? Minus 5. What is my c1? Minus 6. What is my a2? 6. What is my b2? Minus 15. What is my c2? Minus 18. First get a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. First. Once you get a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, then apply those a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So here only you do. Write like this, one below the other. Need not write once again. Save your time. Here only you just divide. See like this. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Means a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3 and here also 1 by 3. Means all the three conditions are equal. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So if all are equal, then what line it is? Coincident is the correct answer. Has many solutions. This is many solutions condition. Many solution means lines are coincident. Means line is sitting one upon the other. Yes. Many solutions means line is sitting one upon the other. So same question they may give you these options. Same question they may give you the options differently. Unique, many, no, like this. They may change the options, but the way of doing is this only. Okay, next one. Find sum of zeros for x square minus 1 for polynomial x square minus 1. So you need to find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means you need to find alpha plus beta. First get what is alpha beta here. X square minus 1 equal to 0 then x plus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be minus 1 and x will be 1, means minus 1 plus 1, 0 is the answer. If a pole 6 meter high, pole 6 meter high cast a shadow, cast a shadow 2 root 3 meter long, then sun's elevation, then sun's elevation is question mark. Try this and tell me the answer, everyone. Pole is 6 meter high. First draw the figure. You can draw like this. Pole is 6 meter high. And shadow is how much? 2 root 3. Find theta. So how to tackle, I have told you, right? First you need to focus on what is given to you. You can see here height is given and base is given. Height and base, which trigonometric function? Tan theta. Height upon base. So tan 60, tan theta is equal to 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 by root 3, which is root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. These two cancelled. I have answer root 3 here. So tan theta is equal to root 3 implies which angle of tan is root 3? 60 degrees root 3. Most of you gave answer. Very good, very good. Hello Krishna, I'm fine Krishna. You are here. Stay till the end, Krishna. Sec theta when expressed. Sec theta when expressed in terms of cot theta. In terms of cot theta equal to so we know one formula, right? Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Then I will write this tan square theta as 1 by cot square theta, which will become cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot square theta. Secant square theta is this. Then what is secant theta? I will just put a root here. I'll put a root like this, cot square theta plus 1 divided by this. I will write just cot theta. So denominator, why I wrote only cot theta is, if you write root here, what will happen? Cot square theta. So square and square root will get cancelled. Therefore denominator only cot theta. Numerator we can't do like this because there is plus 1. Numerator we have cot square theta plus 1. You can't cancel this square and square root here. You should have single term like this to cancel. You cannot have double terms like this. This is the right answer. Square root of cot square theta plus 1. This is there in introduction to trigonometry second exercise. I think you have such questions. Square root of cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot theta. Okay. Next. Two dice are thrown together. Dice thrown together. The probability of getting difference of numbers on their upper faces equals to 3. Probability of getting difference of numbers on upper faces equal to 3. Upper faces. See, first of all, two dice are there. So if you have two dice, then the total outcomes equal to 36, because two dice. One dice will have 6 and another 6. 6 into 6 you should do. Never do 6 plus 6. You should always multiply. Don't add. Total outcomes 36. And difference of numbers on upper faces 3. So here the probability of event will be simply 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. Next. Distance of a point from origin. Distance of a point from origin. And the point is minus 6, 8. Now use that formula. D equal to square root of x square plus y square. Use this. Then simply write here minus 6x square. Then this is 8 square, which will be 36 plus 64. 100, and this is 10. 10 units. Okay, next. Yes, 10 is correct answer. Next question is, figure is given like this, and there is a triangle from here to here, and this is a tangent. Here I have x, and this is p o, and this is q y. Okay, here in the figure, pq is a tangent, pq is tangent, and find x plus y. Find x plus y. Find x plus y means angles. We need to add these two angles. What is the value? So how will you proceed? Since triangle is there, you write sum of three angles. Sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. Which are they? POQ plus PQO OPQ. PQO plus OPQ equal to 180. What is POQ? Y. What is PQO? 90 degree. What is this? X, 180. So simply x plus y will be 180 minus 90, which is 90 degree. That's all. Triangle means sum of angle property. Why 90 I took, everyone know, right? Here, wherever the tangent and radius meet, that angle will be 90 degree. Wherever tangent and radius meet, there they make 90 degree. That's why I have taken this as 90 degree, this angle. Next, if alpha beta are zeros, polynomial of polynomial p of x equal to 4x square minus 3x minus 7, then find, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. How much? One by alpha plus 1 by beta, how much? So first of all, what you do, what do you mean by 1 by alpha 1 by beta? It's simply alpha plus beta by alpha beta. That is this is equal to, so you people know alpha beta means what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta means what? C by a. What is this? Minus of minus 3 by 4. C minus 7 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 and this is minus 7 by 4. So 3 by 4 into minus 7 by 4. I will write 4 by minus 4 by 7. 4 cancels. Minus 3 by 7 must be your answer. If anybody don't understand anything I have done here directly, any step, say for example now this I did directly actually. So you can just put it here in chat box, or later also you can ask. After the class also you can just text me or call me, I will tell you, don't worry. If you are hesitating to ask here. Okay, now this question from probability, from from card question will definitely come. So here is a question now. Card is drawn at random. Card is drawn at random. Card is drawn at random. Probability that the card is not an ace. Card is not an ace. Card is not an ace. See, first of all, listen carefully this question. Card sums always confuse. Total cards will be how many? 52. Total cards. Now in 52 how many aces will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 aces are there. So not an ace. Ace means what I will do? 52 minus 4 I will do. I will get 48. So probability will be how much? I will write here 48 by 52. Which you can directly cancel from 12 4s are 4 12s are 4 13s are 4 12s are 4 13s are 13 Jivita, not 23. 4 12s are 4 13s are. Not an ace they asked. That's why I have subtracted 4. Because card you see. First thing you will have 26 26. These are red, these are black. In this 26 you have 13 13. Here also you have 13 13. These are heart diamond. Then these are club and spades. Okay, in this 13 we will have king, queen, jack, ace, then till 9. King, queen, jack, ace, then till 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total you should have 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, one more will be there. That is 1. So total you will have 13 cards in this. 13 13 everywhere. So every 13, like 1 set of 13 cards will have 1 ace. Another 13 set will have 1 ace. Another will have 1 and another will have 1. So total 4 aces will be there. Hope you know. Remember this chronology of cards. Now assertion question will do. Assertion and reason. 19th this is. And here 20 assertion reason. Okay, anyway, leave it. So I will write the question. Mm, the probability that from probability the probability that the leap year has 53 Sundays is 2 by 2. This is assertion. Reason is probability that non-leap year has 53 Sundays. Same here. This is also same. Is 5 by 7. And here it is 2 by 7, not 2 by 2. 2 by 7. 2 by 7, 5 by 7. Two by 7, 5 by 7. Okay, first, what do you mean by leap year? 366 days will be there. That is called leap year. 366 days. First, this you should know. Let me remove this now. 366 days. Okay. In this 366, I will do like this. 364 divided by 7, 52 weeks. This I will do. Now remaining are 2 days. 2 days extra. Here they are remaining. So now what is happening here? So will this probability be 2 by 7? Yes. This is 2 by 7 because 2 days out of the remaining 7 days. 2 days out of the remaining 7 days. That means this is true. 52 weeks over. In the third week, 2 days out of 7. That is 2 by 7. 2 days out of 7. And reason, the probability non-leap year 53 Sundays is 5 by 7. Non-leap year, no. Reason I am solving here. Reason. Non-leap year. Non-leap year means 365 days. Non-leap year means what? 365 days. Like this same way we will do this also. 52 weeks means 52 Sundays, that is 364. So you have here one extra. One extra. So this should become 1 by 7. This should become 1 by 7, but they have given you 5 by 7. Means false. Look at this carefully and ask me. Leap year questions are little tricky there. So A is true, assertion is true, but reason is false. Leap year questions are little tricky. Clear everyone? Just say clear. If it is clear, tell me, I will go to next. This extra part you need to properly get it tested. Next assertion is so total first leap year means what? Leap year means how many days? First you should write 366 days. In this 360 days I will make two parts. 364 days will give you 52 weeks. So this 1 year completely. How we got this 52 divided by 7? Now remaining 2 days extra. These 2 days extra out of how many? Out of 7 days. These 2 days are extra out of 7 days because this is 53rd week. 53rd week. You can just assume it as 53rd week. So in 1 week 7 days will be there. 2 days out of 7. That means 2 by 7. Same way non-leap year means what? Non-leap year means 365 days. Divide it into two parts. 364 days by 7 and here 1 day extra. This 1 day extra out of 7. So this will be 1 by 7. Clear? Next, if A, B, C are in AP are in AP, ABC are in AP if and only if and only if 2b equal to A plus C, reason sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square, sum of first odd natural numbers is n square. So we'll give explanation for assertion now. So now focus properly. What is happening here? They are saying A, B, C are in AP. These are AP. If these are AP, then what will be your common difference? D equal to second term minus first term, right? Second term minus first term. So D will be equal to B minus A, which is also equal to C minus B. Or here third term minus second term. So we'll equate these two. B minus A equal to C minus B. This minus B you bring here, this will become B plus B. Then take this minus A this side, this will become C plus A. This side you have 2B and that side you have C plus A. Now look at that, same thing is given, same, therefore it is true. Now look at the reason now. Sum of what is that? Odd natural numbers. N odd natural numbers. So what is the sequence for this? Sum of n odd. Okay. What is the sequence? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Odd means last term is 2n minus 1. Last sequence 2n minus 1. Now you can use the sum formula and find out. Sn will be equal to, you can just use this formula and find out. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. See, actually this is like a formula, sum of n odd natural numbers, sum of n odd natural numbers is n square. This is a formula you need to remember. Suppose if you don't remember now, you have a confusion or you forgot, then you can find out like this. Don't leave thinking that you don't remember. So you can find out like this. Using this formula you can find out and you will get n square only here. Just substitute these values. N by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. What is D? 2 here. So n by 2, this will be 2 here. I will multiply 2 inside, minus 2 plus 2 will go, n by 2 into 2n 2 2 will go, n into n square. That means this is also true. Both are true, both true, but explanation is not related. Actually explanation is not related. If you have any doubt here in these steps, ask me. So I think we did almost 17 or 18 questions now. So the section A is over now of the second question paper, section A. Section B will start tomorrow. Okay. Two questions here I just ignored. Two I have ignored because they were very easy, so I did not feel like solving them here. Okay, now see, just give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes we'll talk about one problem of you now which you are facing. Problem. Okay, the problem is divided into two parts: those who have taken standard and those who have taken basic maths. Standard math and basic math. Standard math have many confusions, like ಆರ್ ಡಿ ಶರ್ಮಾನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಓಸ್ವಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಎನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, and you should also do PYQs. Basic maths also you have problems, but first let's discuss the standard for standard guys. So forget about this Oswal, RD Sharma, all these things. If you even do only the worked examples from these books, only worked examples, if you do, that's enough. But now don't consider these two. First finish your NCRT properly. First. Second, you do exemplar. Don't miss exemplar, very important. Then you do PYQs. If you have time after doing all these 100%, then go to RD, OSWAL, all these things. Now why did I told you solve at least only worked examples? Because RD Sharma, Oswal, these extra books, worked examples you need to do for practice. These books are for practice, that's all. You will become familiar with different kind of questions aste, innenilla. So give a priority to these three: NCRT, exemplar, PYQs. You will definitely score very, very good marks. And in fact you can score 100 out of 100, there is no doubt, if you have done perfectly, properly. You need to apply your thinking also while solving the questions. Don't go, thinking is also needed, right? This is also much important. So don't have any confusion, just stick to these three things: NCRT, exemplar, PYQs. That's enough. Okay. So what I am going to do is I am going to come up with a video series. A video series will come. Maybe I will take 14 days and I will finish 14 chapters. Both standard and basic. Both standard and basic. Okay. I will cover sure short questions. Sure short questions. So don't forget to follow these videos daily. Don't forget to watch these. Many different questions are coming which you have not seen till now. Different questions. Okay, I have collected data. I have collected questions which are very good questions. These are clear. So daily you can give around 20 minutes time, that's enough. These videos you can keep the speed to 1.5x and watch to save your time. Okay, you can keep the speed to 1.5x and watch. Now coming to basic people, basic students, NCRT, exemplar, PYQs, again same 100%. Then you will score 100 out of 100 without doubt. Without doubt, no doubt at all. Okay, that's it for the day. If you have any problems, if any thinking, the thought process is going in a different direction, or if you are feeling nervous, or if you are having that fear of exam, whatever it is, just text me. Text me in Insta, or text me, take my number. Your friends also have my number. Take that number, you can text me. I will call you or I will text you back and will clear your mind completely. Okay, be positive and confident. Good night. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.